Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the thumbnail, in today's video we're going to be doing denim nails for the first time. These denim duck nails have been trending for a minute, but my client finally asked for some for her birthday nails, so I was like, I can't wait. Like, I was ready to do this design, honestly. So starting off, I'm going in with a matte base coat. I really don't remember exactly which one, but I'm gonna go look and link it in the description box.
Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
So here is the inspo picture. And honestly, when I first saw it, I really thought she did like some witchcraft or something, because I was like, oh my gosh, like it really looked like literal denim. Like, it was so pretty. But she posted a tutorial on how to do it and how to mix the colors to get the look, and it was really simple. So the blue you see me using right here is from Valentino, and it's number 28. I know a lot of people use a navy blue, but I just had a royal blue, so I used that and it worked out perfectly. And the black that I'm using is from Kiara Sky. It's called Negative Space. It's actually a linear gel, but works the same. And the white is from Amazon, from a brand called Venalisa, and I will link all of these down below. So I'm just mixing these colors together. The goal is to get a lighter blue and a darker blue. Going in, you want to apply the darker shade of blue to the outside and put the lighter blue in the middle. And you kind of want to make it like streaky looking. You don't really want it to look consistent. You kind of want to give it a blotty effect so that it can look like actual jeans. Also, I found that using the same brush to do the darker shade of blue and the lighter shade of blue kind of helps the colors mix a little more versus using different brushes. I don't think it'll just look completely different if you use a different brush, but I prefer it this way.
Confidence got me too excited. Yeah. You wanna get with me, stop it.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. He's asleep, love, happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard? What's the password? I need you, man.
Okay, so this part is what really makes it look like denim. So I'm taking a regular makeup sponge and blotting the white polish on the nails.
They just wanna fuck with you. Cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step out? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page.
So, in the next step, you would do your stitching. Now, as you can see, I already had drew some stitching already, but I didn't like it. I prefer the lines be a little bit more slim. To me, it gives it a different look. I prefer it this way. I don't know, the thicker stitching kind of gives like old navy jeans, and the thin stitching kind of give it like True Religion or something like that. So I don't know. I wanted it slimmer, and I actually prefer it this way, but it's all preference. And I would say try to do the stitching the correct way the first time, because as you can see, I had to kind of put some more white down because me wiping the stitching off took away some of that white. Even though I cured it, it just, since it's not a full complete layer of polish, it kind of takes it off a little bit. So I just say make sure you being aware of what you're doing when you're doing the stitching.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. When it's like that, if it was you, it won't be like that. But I love when we make up like that. Well, maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that.
So now that we have cured the stitching and got everything to our liking, we are going in with a matte top coat to seal in and mattify everything.
Maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
So for the final step, this is the part that the inspo picture actually has real denim glued to this part of the nail. And I talked it over with my client, and we, kind of agreed to just give the illusion of actual ripped jeans versus the actual texture, because she was thinking about the whole washing hands process and having the actual denim be dry and all of that. So we just decided to go with the gel polish and make it look like ripped jeans, and I think it really looks like it. I think it gives the illusion, and it went perfectly. And now I'm just putting the charms on. And even this tied the set in a whole lot. It looks really good with the charms. As you can see, right here, this is Macart's Rhinestone Gel Glue. I love this glue. It's pretty thick. Like, yes, the stones and charms and stuff kind of slide just a little bit, but it's thick enough to where it's not as much. But I like this glue. Clients come back with all their charms still on, so I think it's a pretty good product. And that pretty much sums up today's video. Right here, I'm just going in and cleaning up any edges. But that sums up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Baby, I'm trusting.